recording early bird and stuff, but early bird is in like 2 minutes, so let's get into it. Let's wait 2 minutes. So we're gonna wait 2 minutes. Just gonna roam around and stuff on my carpet.
Cacto ippopotamo, talpa di ferro.
Few seconds, 30 seconds until early bird. Alright, so I'll stop recording, post this, and then not do anything else until Admiralties actually starts. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got cash. So close. So close. Early bird Sammy! I'll just run around till it happens. Ooh, ghost. I'm so broke, guys.
Virginia's positive, encouraging count. 98.9 WLFD.
Let's see.
Richmond. 100.3 Petersburg. 200. Caleb.com and the Caleb app.
Okay. We're waiting for early bird. Oh my gosh, guys. No early bird today? What? Oh my gosh. Someone's gonna make me cranky if there's no early bird today.
like that joy, 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 joy. Hard to stay.
Yes. Finally, Sammy Mercer. What the freak? My game is laggy. It's not the camera. Oh, it's not the camera. That's just my game.
Lucky block.
Oh.
Lucky block.
W Sammy question mark? See you on 30 minutes. I'll open it in like 30 minutes and tell y'all what I get. I'll also record if I get anything good from 10x luck. And fierce luck. This is a big early bird. Okay. Bye guys. See you in 30 minutes. Peace.